Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos. I really appreciate all your support. Quick shout out to my channel members, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Before I forget, here are some discount codes for colour art, resiners and APS foils should you want to save some money on art supplies. And welcome back my friends to another week's installation of Texture Thursdays with Taslima Maya Art, Oak by Bettina and BCC Arts. The amazing Betty will be up straight after me, and then it's Billy with BCC Arts. It's actually her birthday today, so let's wish her a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday honey. I hope you have a great day ahead of you. Billy will be up after her, so do stay tuned. Your playlist is down in my description box below. So today I'll be creating 4 different texture backgrounds for you, and these are for future sculpture flowers that I intend to place on top. The first is on a wooden round that's 25 centimeters diameter. I'm using gesso and acrylic paint together just to get that background down, and then I'm going to use Viva Structure paste to create the stenciled part of the texture later. So I'm just adding the paints and getting it to the colour that I like, and I'm using 2 separate colours there. You can see what colours I'm using down in my description box below. So with that, I'll leave all the on-screen instructions up there for you, and I will start playing some music and see you at the end. I hope you enjoy this. Bye for now.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till I die, day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, 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 I really hope you love me too.
World that's left in a love that's gone silent. Can't look further ways cause we're just so blinded. Tell me to hear when I ask you to listen. We're on inside, but you're making me the villain. Have I grown too comfortable? Thought we were unshakable, but when you started leaning on somebody else, I didn't know you. Gave me a sign, now my shoulders are closed. We're on thin ice, we're at each other's throats. What? We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than rough. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame, oh no, that we're playing this blame game. We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than rough. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game. You push me away and all that I tried to give when you only take, you never see in my shoes. But you don't accept it, we had a standstill. While you be building walls made of steel. Here we go, calling it quits so you can find someone to click with. Someone new fit, treat us like a business. Sharp tongue cut like a knife, this isn't us. I don't recognize the me that loves you, guess I'm done. Have I grown too comfortable? Thought we were unshakable, but when you started leaning on somebody else, I didn't know you. Gave me a sign, now my shoulders are closed. We're on thin ice, we're at each other's throats. What? We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than rough. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame, oh no, that we're playing this blame game. We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than rough. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game. We've been so out of touch, we're so far apart. It's been more than just rough when you look at these scars. We're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game. Oh, we were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than rough. Look at these scars. We're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game. We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than rough. Just look at these scars. We're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game.
I know you've been hurt, I know that you're trying. The boss is complaining, your phone's always ringing. Outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel them, the electric feelings. You and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, so close your eyes. Feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love one time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. Now I got you warmed up, tell me you see it, and
strength and show me your weakness.